Want to make money using AI in 2026? Welcome back to Day 7 of AI Simplified. The AI economy is projected to create trillions in value by 2026, and today we're tackling the #1 question on everyone's mind. How do absolute beginners actually get a piece of that pie? We're completely demystifying how real people are actually earning money with artificial intelligence right this very minute. No fluff, just 8 realistic proven ways that work in 2026.
Now, before you even ask, no, I'm definitely not about to pitch you some shady get-rich-quick crypto scheme or a magic button that just prints money out of thin air. We are solely focusing on proven, realistic, and highly practical methods that everyday people are using to generate real income today.
To really grasp why this is such a massive opportunity, we just have to look at the old way versus the 2026 way. The old way of making money online? It was brutal. You needed complex coding skills, a huge upfront financial investment, or an already massive following to even get your foot in the door. But the 2026 way? It completely flips the script. Today, you literally need absolutely no experience. The AI tools do all the heavy lifting for you, and you can get started with practically zero investment. The barrier to entry is just gone.
Okay, let's dive into this and walk through our masterclass roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll cover the 2026 AI opportunity. Second, content and creator hustles. Third, digital products and freelancing. Fourth, an honest reality check. And finally, taking action with AI.
Starting right off with Section 1, the 2026 AI opportunity and lowering the barrier. AI has created more opportunities than ever, and I'm going to share practical methods with real examples, the exact tools you need, and honest difficulty levels.
Moving right along to Section 2, content and creator hustles. This is all about building audiences with AI.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how absolute beginners are using AI to dominate content creation. We've got 3 incredibly accessible strategies here. First up, Faceless YouTube channels. These are just massively popular right now. You can create entire channels dedicated to AI tools, fascinating facts, or daily motivation. And the best part? You use AI to write the script, generate a shockingly realistic voice, and create the visuals. You literally never have to step in front of a camera. Second, we have AI tool reviews and tutorials. You can make review blogs or content about brand new AI tools and collect solid ad revenue and affiliate income. And third, affiliate marketing combined with AI content. This is where you use AI to generate highly engaging content that promotes those tools, like ChatGPT or Leonardo, and you earn commissions on every single signup. If you're sitting there wondering exactly where to begin, follow this specific workflow. Step 1, create a faceless YouTube channel using the AI generation methods we just talked about. Step 2, add affiliate marketing links in your video descriptions and pinned comments. I can't stress this enough. This specific fusion of audience building combined with high-converting AI tool affiliate links is the absolute best beginner combination for starting out in 2026. It's a total game changer.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 3, digital products and freelancing, focusing on selling services and assets. And this brilliantly illustrates the exact ecosystem you need to sell directly. Look at how these map out. Want to sell AI art and print on demand? Fire up powerful image generators like Leonardo or Flux and upload those designs right to Etsy, Redbubble, or Teespring. Or maybe you want to offer AI-generated content services like writing blog posts, social media captions, or emails. Just leverage ChatGPT and sell those highly in-demand services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You could even build an AI prompts marketplace, creating specialized prompt packs and selling them directly through your own online store. These tools are basically acting as your incredibly fast, highly skilled digital employees.
AI-powered freelancing is absolutely booming right now. I mean, tools exist today that can take a 5-hour video editing job and condense it into literally 30 minutes. You're delivering higher quality work in a fraction of the time, making services like video editing, thumbnail design, and logo design incredibly efficient. Alternatively, you can focus on creating and selling digital products. We're talking about using AI to help outline, write, and format ebooks, design intricate daily planners, or even code highly functional Notion templates. The beauty here is you build these digital assets once and you can sell them infinitely. Talk about passive income potential, right?
All right, time for Section 4, the honest reality check. It's time to prioritize strategy over hype.
So, the crucial point is this. Start with one method only. Seriously, please listen to me on this one. Do not try to do all 8 of these methods at the exact same time. If you try to build a faceless YouTube channel while selling AI art on Etsy and trying to become a freelance copywriter all on the exact same day, you are going to burn out and you're going to fail.
Pick the one method that excites you the most and just master it.
Here's my honest advice as you jump into this. First, expect realistic earnings. Are you going to make $10,000 in your very first week? Absolutely not. It takes real consistency to build up these revenue streams. Second, pay attention to the warnings. Algorithms change and AI tools evolve super fast, so you have to stay adaptable. And finally, and this is a really big one, do not rely on only one method forever. Once your first method is generating consistent, semi-passive income, then you can layer on a second one so you diversify your risk.
Which brings us to Section 5, taking action with AI, and your next steps.
We've laid out the roadmap, the tools, and the realistic expectations. AI has massively lowered the barrier to earning money online in 2026. The old gatekeepers, they are completely gone. The only thing stopping you right now is taking action. So I have to ask, out of the 8 methods we covered today, which one excited you the most? Let me know down in the comments below. And hey, if you found value in this explainer and want more realistic, money-making AI content, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out.
We've got so much more to cover in this AI Simplified series. In our next explainer, we're shifting gears to look at the absolute best AI tools for students in 2026. We'll be talking about how to study smarter, not harder. You definitely won't want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next explainer.